So welcome back again, guys. So today is day 18, of the 100 Days of Cloud Azure series. So we completed the 17 labs. So today is day 18. The lab title is copy data to an Azure block storage container. Alright. So we're gonna copy some files or some information, some amount of data to the Azure block storage container. So I think this lab sounds kind of like not too hard, a bit easy. Alright, if we get ready, let's try it together. Now I'll click the start button. So, yeah. Success does not come from what you do occasionally. It comes from what you do consistently.
Lab.
Is this will you take 5 minutes for this loading state? Is that due to the reasons of my internet connection? My internet connection is already good. Please. This is actually bad user experience. When I'm trying to do every single Azure lab, I had to wait around 2 minutes, over 2 minutes to press this loading state. Oh god. Come on. So I will copy all the tests right there. So we will read the instruction. So Notarius double standard presently immersed in data migrations. They do the data transfer to their Azure block storage, transferring data from on-premise storage system to Azure block containers. They have recently received some data that they intend to copy to one of the block containers. So a block container name is xfusion-blob-26645. That's a container name that's already existing in the south central US region under the storage account. So storage account name is this. So copy the file. We're gonna have to copy this file to the block container xfusion block. So this is a block container name. Alright, so here also again I would like to remind you again, if you like to use Portal URL and if you like to finish this challenge, you can use this credentials, but I like to use the terminal. So let me find to solve this problem, to face this challenge. So how to copy a specific file to the Azure block via the block storage container of a SPECIM specific block a storage account from CentOS TRMI in the terminal. I will find like that. So we can run this block name. No. Option 2 is a copy. So yeah, we can run this. Oh no, that's not working. I think so. Upload story account name, container name, destination name. So this is destination block name. Destination block name is not here. It's not mentioned. It's story account name and block container name. Block container. It's supposed to be story account. Actually, we don't need this. You can use is a copy. Story account name, Windows the container name. Let me run this command. Is a copy. So copy this is source directory find path. So source directory find path is this /tmp xfusion.txt. So I will copy this and I will run this. So account name is here. Story account name is xfusion st12606. So I will paste there. And container name is this. So here it is not clearly mentioned about the specific destination directory. So that's why we can remove this find.txt find. We can enter with a block story container as a destination directory. So I will run this command to copy that. We can run this. So is that copy command not found? So how about this? Can we run that? So this is not working. Probably we have to get this, the Linux executable command. Alright, using is a copy. Can we run that? This also found error. Can we run this again? Let me check it out. Alright, that's not okay. So we should use this. Alright, I will use this. So account name is account name is story account name is here. We will replace this Azure value. This is account name. And container name is xfusion blob 26645. I will use that. And then destination block. No, we don't need this. And here is the find path is. Here is the find path is. Yeah, tmp xfusion.txt. Yeah, that's correct. So I will run this. Yeah, so we successfully copy here. So, and how to verify? Let me me find that. And how to verify. And how to verify. Let me try that to be. So basically, so we cannot use this. Actually, that's not correct. Yeah, we successfully finished. Alright, I don't check for the verification for this left. Alright, so let me check it out. And click confirm. I think it will be successful. Yeah. Alright, so we successfully completed the challenge. So if I can do it, you can also do it. So see you in this video, guys. I will start here. Yeah, no issue face, submit. Yeah, that's it. Peace out.